Sound. Activity. Let's make music. Objective. To make a rubber band guitar. Theory. Stringed instruments produce sound when their strings vibrate after being struck, plucked, or similarly manipulated. Examples of stringed instruments include the harp, violin, guitar, and piano. Learning outcomes. Students will learn. Stringed instrument can be designed by using elastic materials like rubber bands. Each instrument has its own unique sound and timbre. Did you know? The great majority of musical instruments fall readily into one of 6 major categories: bowed strings, woodwind, brass, percussion, keyboard, and the guitar family, the first 4 of which form the basis of the modern symphony orchestra. There is a man-made forest in Argentina that is in the shape of a guitar, planted by a farmer named Pedro Martin Ureta. It is located in the fertile Pampas agricultural region of Argentina and is made up of over 7,000 cypress and eucalyptus trees. Materials required: 1. Empty shoebox. 2. Rubber bands of different thickness. 3. Ruler or stick. 4. Scissors or knife. Procedure. 1. Make a circular hole of 4 cm radius in the cover of the box with the help of scissors. 2. Stretch the rubber bands around the box. 3. Attach the ruler or stick to back of the box on one end to act as the arm of the guitar. 4. To play, pluck the rubber bands one by one. Observation. On plucking the rubber bands of different thickness, different frequencies musical sound will be produced. Conclusion. Stringed instruments like guitar produce musical sound on plucking its stretched strings. Sorting queries.
Mom, why we are using rubber bands of different thickness in this activity?
We are using rubber band of different thickness as the thickness of rubber band changes the pitch of sound we hear when we pluck it.
Okay Mom, please tell which rubber band will produce a high-pitched sound?
The shorter rubber band will vibrate faster and produce a high-pitched sound. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!